So you guys have seen this car in several videos on the channel. This is my 2005 Subaru Legacy. It's got 275,000 miles on the driveline and the chassis and 325,000 miles on the engine. You've seen it be a rally car.
1, go. Fast, sharp right.
You've seen it be a burnout car. I chained it to a 93 Lexus LS 400 and did an all-wheel drive burnout. Driving up my driveway and I took a nice long look at the Legacy and I'm like, you know what, that car can do it all, and there's something else that this car can do. So that's what we're gonna do right now. All right, perfect, look at that. Perfect. And it's amazing, every time I start these cars, they smell like ethanol. I think the ethanol fairy comes when I'm not looking and puts ethanol on the cars. That's me, I'm the fairy. So after a dead battery, back to our regularly scheduled program. If you've been a subscriber for a while, then you know, but if you do not know and you're new to the channel, thank you for subscribing for one. But I have a 2003 Ford Super Duty with a 6-liter diesel that I use to tow around or haul the cars to shows. As I was driving up my driveway looking at the Legacy, I realized, or I knew already, but diesel's expensive. What if I can't afford to drive the 6-liter and take the cars to shows? Some of you by this point are kind of smelling what I'm stepping in or kind of getting what I'm putting down, but introducing my 2005 Legacy SUBA Duty.
The all-new 2023
Subaru
Duty.
Do not judge me. If we can call Honda Ridgeline's pickup trucks, then we can call Subaru Legacy's pickup trucks as well. Everything about this car has proved me wrong. I didn't think it would, do an all-wheel drive burnout change to a freaking Lexus, but it did. I got the kingpin adapter off. The gooseneck is on. Okay, let's see what happens.
Going down.
Well, this is something you don't see every day. That is for sure. And the landing gear's up. My SUBA Duty is ready to tow some, not much more weight, but it'll tow something. From the weight of the trailer, it did break my trunk. So, we don't need that. Weight reduction. All right, let's see if she'll move. This is gonna be very, very interesting. You might see a gooseneck trailer on the ground. I'm gonna actually put my landing gear down a little bit just in case. So I wanna get your reaction. No. Guess what I'm calling it?
What are you calling it?
The Legacy SUBA Duty.
Super Duty.
It's like Super Duty, like.
Yes.
Okay.
Great.
Truck gang. Truck gang.
There's a truck that just slowed down. I would like to be a fly on the wall on any truck that drives by. Yeah, that's a Subaru Legacy hauling a gooseneck trailer.
Ran over a piece of the bumper.
The trunk, yeah.
Oh, the trunk, yeah.
It's got high miles like a truck. It's got a gooseneck. It's all-wheel drive or four-wheel drive. It's my new truck. I definitely need a leveling kit or some helper bags because the old struts are not liking this at all. Those struts got 275,000 miles on them.
It's what makes a Subaru a Subaru.
Got the trailer back in its spot up on boards. I'm going to relieve the pressure off the Legacy. There we go. We got separation. So now the Legacy has officially hooked to a trailer, pulled a trailer, and then unhooked a trailer. So officially truck. Yeah! I did run over a piece of my bumper. She's still running, she still moves. It sounded awful pulling it, but look at that. My little SUBA Duty. Here's the damage. That poor Subaru logo is hanging off for dear life. But I broke the trunk. It cracked it's all plastic, all cracked. But well, once again, the Legacy proved me wrong. I seriously was doubting it could do that. I thought it would just crush the trunk. I didn't think it would move. I mean, I don't know. I really don't know what to do next with that car because everything I've tried, it's like done without any problems. Lights are off and chop is a mess. I apologize, but 6-liter STI, her car. I think we're gonna get them out and go to maybe cruise the lake tonight, get some pictures and some videos of that. Next week we have a cruise in parade. Basically it's a town that way that we're going to. Cruising downtown, parking, hanging out. I don't know if it's like an actual show or not, but it's gonna be fun just to drive around. What else do we got? Oh, Gearhead Fest is coming up. That is cool. It's in Springfield, Ohio. Import Face Off is coming up very quickly, Labor Day weekend. With that said, please like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. And we just rolled over 500 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody that subscribed to the channel. Thank you all for subscribing and liking the videos and watching. So I think with that said, we're going to end it off here. I appreciate everybody for watching the videos and like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Hey everyone, thank you for watching.
Please like and subscribe.
Be sure to check out her Etsy account, The Sweetheart Design, for custom illustrations, vinyls, and t-shirts. She can make anything you want.
And use code BOOSTIN_DC on jacksbox.com for 15% off.